So I expect you've seen the new kit from Stampin Up which is a paper pumpkin kit called Joy to the World, and it's designed to make 8 really lovely cards. But having done some research online and some playing around, I've come up with a way to expand it to make 24 cards, and I'm really pleased with the way they look. I've got 7 different designs, so I'm making 4 lots each of 5 designs and 2 each of 2 further designs, and I'll go through them with you as we go along. I have produced a PDF document to show the preparation, because obviously to expand a kit from 8 cards to 24 you're going to have to do quite a lot of extra bits, and so I've done a lot of working out of that, and I just want to talk you through a bit that's a bit more complicated than the rest, and that's the envelopes. So the inside of the envelopes are really pretty paper, and to be able to use that I've sliced a bit off each side of the envelopes in order to separate the front from the back, and then keeping hold of the white piece because we're going to use that to stamp on. I'm cutting this into some pieces so that this is going to be 13.8 by 9.5. Now there are 8 envelopes in all, so I'm doing 4 each of the 2 sizes. That's 13.8 by 9.5, and that's going to be for card 3. And for card 4, I'm going to repeat the process. And this time the back's going to be cut to a piece that's 8 by 13.8. Again, I need to do that 4 times. And these pieces are going to be used later on, but I'll trim them as and when. But this piece of white here, I'm just going to neaten off and cut off the bits that are doubled up, because that's where the envelope was drawn together, and cut it to 7 by 9 and 6 by 8.5. And again, I need to do that process 4 times. So on the document that I've produced to go with this video, I've listed down what's needed for each set of cards, and I really recommend putting them into bags so that you're ready to grab and go, as it were.